Green pepper. Pear. Yes, pear. Juliana, do you wanna go eat now? Maybe Jade. Oh, really? Oh, where are you going now? Okay. Oh, your wallet, mommy. Okay. What happened, mommy? Where are you going, mommy? Where are you going? Hello, Taylor Swift. Juliana say hello, Taylor Swift. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Oh wow, that's a fast cashiering. Beep. Oh, she's cashiering. Beep. Oh, that's a lot of money. Thank you. Save your money. Okay. Okay. I'll take it. Oh, you take it too. Okay. Here's your change. Yeah, thank you. Hi, Shalane. Okay, where you going now? Oh, there's your bed. We're home. Yeah, that's your food. You got two phone? Oh wow, lucky girl. One phone. Oh, what happened? Oh, you wanna go say bye bye now? Not yet. 10 more minutes. Okay. Oh, I have a ball. What the heck? Oh yeah. Are you eating the carrots? Book. You gonna eat all of them? But don't make a mess though. Okay. Oh, what? That's a pear. That's a tomato. That's milk. That's carrots. That's banana. That's eggplant. That's corn. Oh, that's onion. And that's watermelon. And green red pepper. Grapes. And orange. Wow, that's a lot of food.